In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload video on Pinterest. So in here, click on the save icon at the bottom and then click the three dots on the upper right and click on settings. So in here, we need to convert our account to a business account. So click on account management, press on convert into business account, and then click on convert. So you can now add your profile name, type in your website if you have one, and then describe your business. So once you're done, tap next. So just answer this question and then there you go. You've successfully converted your account to business account. So the next step is go back to your settings again. Click on the three dots on the upper right. Click on settings. And this time click on personal information. And then click on country or region. So we need to change our region. And make sure you select the United States as your region. There you go. So you can now start uploading a video. Just tap on the add button at the middle and tap pin and select a video from your gallery. And then you can now select the cover photo. Once done, tap next, and then you can see here at the bottom your video is now uploading. So just wait for it to finish. So while waiting, you can change the title, you can add a link, and when it's done, you can attach it or create a board, and then press done. And then to view the video that you uploaded, just tap that one, and there you go. That's how to upload a video on Pinterest. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.